Hi there, welcome back. So today also we'll discuss Hindi to English daily use sentences. तो चलिए इस वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। क्या तुमको उसका नाम याद है? Do you remember his name? Do you remember his name? मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठा देना। Wake me up early in the morning. Wake me up early in the morning. लगता है तुम भूल गए हो। You seem to have forgotten. You seem to have forgotten. बेहतर होगा कि तुम जूते पहन लो। You better wear shoes. You better wear shoes. हम वहाँ कब पहुँचेंगे? When will we get there? When will we get there? मैं तुम्हें एक दिन में बता दूंगा। I will let you know in a day. I will let you know in a day. अचानक से ही वो रोने लगी। All of a sudden she began to cry. All of a sudden she began to cry. ये किस चीज से बना है? What is it made of? What is it made of? मैं ट्रैफिक में फंस गया हूँ। I am stuck in traffic. I am stuck in traffic. तुम अभी भी क्यों जाग रहे हो? Why are you still awake? Why are you still awake? वो मुझसे रास्ते में मिला। I met him on the way. I met him on the way. आपने मेरा काम आसान कर दिया। You made my work easier. You made my work easier. तुम्हें ये घर छोड़ना होगा। You have to leave this house. You have to leave this house. मैं उस पर बिल्कुल विश्वास नहीं करता। I don't believe him at all. I don't believe him at all. मुझे नहीं पता कि क्या पढ़ना है। I don't know what to read. I don't know what to read. मैं खाने के लिए कुछ ढूंढ रहा हूँ। I am looking for something to eat. I am looking for something to eat. मुझे इस बारे में जानकारी नहीं है। I don't know about this. I don't know about this. मुझे पता है तुम कहाँ रहते हो। I know where you live. I know where you live. तुम शिक्षक क्यों बनना चाहते हो? Why do you want to become a teacher? Why do you want to become a teacher? मेरे पास 100 रुपए कम है। I have 100 rupees less. I have 100 rupees less. आज तुम इतने गुस्से में क्यों हो? Why are you so angry today? Why are you so angry today? देखो बाहर क्या हो रहा है। See what is going on outside. See what's going on outside. क्या आप जानते हैं वो कहाँ गया? Do you know where he went? Do you know where he went? मैं आज थोड़ा देर से उठा। I woke up a little late today. I woke up a little late today. आप सब कैसे हैं? How are you all? How are you all? वो किसका घर है? Whose house is that? Whose house is that? उसे घर पर रहना पसंद है। He loves being at home. He loves being at home. तुमने किया जो मैंने कहा था? Did you do what I said? Did you do what I said? कितने लोगों को जाना है? How many people have to go? How many people have to go? ज़्यादा होशियार बनने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't try to be over smart. Don't try to be over smart. मैंने कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं कहा है. I have not said anything like that. I have not said anything like that. किसी को कानो कान खबर भी नहीं होगी. No one will even hear about it. No one will even hear about it. मेरे लिए क्या लाए हो? What have you brought for me? What have you brought for me? गलती की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है. There is no room for mistake. There is no room for mistake. कई दिन हो गए हैं. It has been several days. It has been several days. मुझे कुछ देर सोचने दो. Let me think for a while. Let me think for a while. तुम्हें सब कुछ संभालना पड़ेगा. You will have to handle everything. You will have to handle everything. कोई बात नहीं, मैं कर लूंगी. Never mind, I will do it. Never mind, I will do it. ये हमारा पुश्तैनी मकान है. This is our ancestral house. This is our ancestral house. इसे आराम से नीचे रखो. Keep it down gently. Keep it down gently. कहना आसान है पर करना नहीं. It is easier said than done. It is easier said than done. मुझसे जितना हो सकता वो मैंने किया. I did the best I could. I did the best I could. आखिरकार वो हमारा दोस्त है. After all, he is our friend. After all, he is our friend. वो अपने भाई जैसा दिखता है. He looks like his brother. He looks like his brother. ये रहे आपके जूते. मेरे कहाँ है? Here are your shoes. Where are mine? Here are your shoes. Where are mine? आपको इसे देखना चाहिए था. You should have seen it. You should have seen it. मैं उसकी बात पर विश्वास नहीं करता. I don't believe what he says. I don't believe what he says. मैं उतना अमीर नहीं हूँ. I am not that rich. I am not that rich. वो कई बार आया. He came many times. He came many times. मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं रह सकता. I can't be with you. I can't be with you. आपने कितने बजे खाना खाया? What time did you eat? What time did you eat? मैं आपसे अकेले में बात करना चाहता हूँ. I want to talk to you privately. I want to talk to you privately. बस थोड़ा सा ही दूध बचा है. Only a little milk is left. Only a little milk is left. तुम्हें पहले आना चाहिए था. You should have come earlier. You should have come earlier. आप कब उठे? मतलब सो के कब उठे? When did you get up? When did you get up? आपका सपना किसी दिन सच होगा. Your dream will come true someday. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई मुझसे इस तरह बात करने की? How dare you talk to me like that? How dare you talk to me like that? आप इसे कैसे कहते हैं? How do you say that? How do you say that? जो तुम्हें पसंद हो वो खाओ. Eat what you like. Eat what you like. मैं उससे पहले कभी नहीं मिला हूँ. I have not met him before. I have not met him before. तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. You should not have done that. You should not have done that. तुम्हें ये कल करना होगा. You have to do it yesterday. You have to do it yesterday. किस समय शुरू होता है? What time does it start? What time does it start? तुम इस ड्रेस में खूबसूरत लग रही हो. You look beautiful in this dress. You look beautiful in this dress. आपको उससे माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए. You should apologize to her. You should apologize to her. तुम मुझे जानी पहचानी लगती हो. You look familiar to me. You look familiar to me. मुझे नहीं पता कि आपका क्या मतलब है. I have no idea what you mean. I have no idea what you mean. क्या वे सभी एक जैसे हैं? Are they all the same? Are they all the same?